Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My today's topic is simple present tense and how to change positive sentences into negative. In my previous lectures, I have explained you in detail the introduction of simple present tense, its kinds, its sentences and identification in detail. Okay, today's topic is how to change positive sentences into negative. So, first I will tell you about the helping verbs. In simple present tense, we have do and does as helping verb, or you can say the auxiliary verbs are do and does. Do we use with plural pronouns. Does we use with singular pronouns. For example, he, she, it, name, noun, singulars we use does. Do we use with I, we, you, they and all plurals. Okay, there are some sentences. She loves her country. This is positive sentence. As I told you in my previous lectures that in simple sentences or in affirmative sentences we use s or es with first form of the verb if we have singular pronoun as a subject. So here in this example, she is written, so she is singular, and we have added s with first form of the verb. So she loves her country. She, when we will make it plural, so we will use does not, because as I have told you, does is used with she, he, she, it, name, noun and singular. So here we will convert it like she does not love her country. Number 2, I pluck the flowers. This is the positive sentence. The negative of the sentence is I do not pluck the flowers. Next one is Ali reads a book. This is positive sentence or affirmative sentence. So Ali is singular pronoun. So that's why S is added in this one. Ali does not read a book. When we will make it plural, so we are not supposed to add S or ES. It is only used in positive sentences, not in negative sentences. So we will remove S. Okay, so Ali does not read a book. Here we will not add S again because it's negative sentence. In positive sentences or affirmative sentences, we will add S or ES with singular pronouns. Next sentence is they drive a car. This is positive sentence, and the negative of the sentence is they do not drive a car, because they is plural and with plural we use do not. Next sentence is we wash the plates. We do not wash the plates. The negative will be we do not wash the plate. With we will use do not. Okay, last sentence is the government opens new schools. So here government is singular pronoun. Okay, it's a noun and it's singular. So that's why I have added s with it, with first form of the verb. In negative sentence we will use does not, because as I have told you, it's a noun. Okay, the government does not open new schools. I hope you will like this video. Thank you.